Let me show you a super easy way to stain glass, and it's washable and you don't have to bake it. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so I got these mica powders from Hippie Crafter and Holy Toledo. Check this out. It comes with a little spoon, and look at all this mica. Oh, this is so sparkly and shimmery. I love it. All right, so we're going to be using this one. It's called Wine, and I also am going to why are words so hard? I am also using some dishwasher safe Mod Podge. This is the mica powder, and quit it. Oh, so I first put some of my dishwasher safe Mod Podge in a container, and I put the mica in, just a little scoop, and I start stirring just to see how we're doing. And then I decided to add another scoop and then stir. Now I'm going to show you. This is me stirring it, and there was a point where I was like, oh, I must be done. See, it looks like I'm almost done, right? This is after stirring it even longer. So you got to really stir it. But then I have this little globe and this little glass, what is it called? Candlestick holder. And I have a dauber. And I'm going to use that mixture we just did. And I'm going to use my dauber and I'm going to dab. Sorry. Words are so hard today. I'm going to dab all over the candlestick holder. And at one point, I put my candlestick holder down on a little Lazy Susan-like thing because it made it a little easier to do the painting on. But I'm using the dauber, to dab on because A, it makes it so there's no brush strokes, and B, it gives it a super cool texture. My goal with making this is to make it like a one of those vintage old lanterns that you put, like it's like an oil lantern or something. Anyways, that was my goal. That was my vision. It isn't perfect, and then I take this little, it's like a fish bowl, again from Dollar Tree, and I'm going same process, using my dauber, and I'm dabbing all around the edges of the glass bowl. And the reason why I don't do the very bottom is because once I get all of the sides done, then I actually use the bottom of the bowl without having anything on it. It makes it so that I can stabilize it to put it down, and I'm not ruining anything, and I'm not getting my hands gross, all of the things. Now, there are some imperfections in this, and I'm okay with that. But if you are really wanting it perfect, then you want to make sure that you stir your mica really well. This mica, by the way, you can get mica at Michael's. You could use eyeshadow if you wanted, all of the things. I just happen to have this Hippie Crafter. I happen to have some from them, and it looked amazing, so I just figured I'd go with this. If you're watching in TikTok, there's probably a link somewhere where you can get it. All right, so now I have some Liquid Fusion. If you can use E6000, that's probably even better, but I can't because I have allergies. So I'm going to put some Liquid Fusion on the top of our candlestick holder, and then I'm going to do some hot glue. Hot glue is just to make it stick right now. The Liquid Fusion is for, permanency. And then I put our little bowl on top. This is after, obviously, they've dried. And oh my God, are you kidding? Look at how pretty it is. I love it so much. And this is just with the mica and the dishwasher safe Mod Podge. And if you let it dry fully, it's hand washable. Like, no baking was necessary. You could put this outside. Come on. How fun is this? Okay, calm down. It's fine. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.